Good morning, Rob. One Strange Journey, and we're headed out to Red Gulch Dino Park or something like that. It's some archaeological park where they found some dino tracks a while ago. So don't know exactly what to expect. I haven't seen much online about it, but I know it exists. And there's like one YouTube video, maybe two YouTube videos that they kind of show something from 10 years ago. So anyways, let's go head out there. Let's see what it's all about, see if it's interesting at all. Man, so annoying. These dogs are all excited. I didn't want to bring them. They're going to be a pain in the butt, but I don't have the heart to leave them. They're jumping all over me, rubbing up against me, so I think we'll bring the dogs with us. All right, let's go. In the car, this car. Come on. All right, just got to load Jen up and we can actually leave. All right, we're on the road. Head to Red Gulch. See what we're getting into when we get there.
Red Gulch?
It's like 10 miles out of town. Yeah, look up Red Gulch.
Dinosaur Tracksite.
Yeah, Dinosaur Tracksite. Map to it. Should be like, I think it's like 5 miles out of town and then 5 miles of dirt roads or something. See what we're getting into.
Good boy, Rocky. Quit being a pain in the ass. Nope, stay back there.
All right, we just got to Red Gulch. So check it out. Let me get the doggies. All right, give me Rocky. You can do Gertie. Let's go see what's going on up here. Rocky, this way. Okay, it looks like they got a little kiosk up here with, I have some info. I don't think those are real dino tracks. All right, so here's what it says. Let's see. 180 million years ago. Welcome to the largest dinosaur track site in Wyoming. All right, well, I'll read all that later. Is that a barbecue over there? Wow, they got a big barbecue. Look at that thing. I didn't see nothing saying no dogs, did you?
Rocky, Gertie. Where's the dino track?
Down in the gulch, I think.
Over here.
No, we gotta keep walking. You can walk down in there. Yeah, it's meant to, Jen. Here's how it happened, I guess. I don't think they're very big. What are these things for? Oh, sighting tubes, okay. You have these little poles that you look through. I guess it points towards it, but good luck seeing it. That's funny. Well, we know where the general area is, I guess. It says to keep an eye out for the rattlesnakes. Okay, still just says don't do any of this to the tracks. Doesn't say nothing about dogs, so I think we're okay. Are those drink holders?
I don't know.
Kind of has that vibe to it. Come on, Rocky, this way. All right, let's go see if we can find us any dino tracks. That's cool looking.
Settle.
I'm gonna let's see if we can find anything. I know those things up there were pointing down here, so let's look over here to start. See, like, I feel like this could be like a dino track right here or something.
Yeah, these are
Yeah,
like two little prongs.
like two toes or something. See, here's some more. Like there's some.
How do they know?
Yeah, I think some of these are tracks. It's definitely these two-toed things I see all over, because they're kind of like all over. Let's just walk down and yep, because there's more of those two-toed things. Let's just keep our ears open for the rattly sounds. That's all washed out dirt, so you're not gonna see nothing down there. Come on, Gertie, let's go the other way. There's definitely a dinosaur hanging out around here way back a long time ago. I feel like right here, you see this? I feel like somebody actually chipped up some dinosaur tracks. Yeah, see, look at these guys here. There's kind of a scale reference on the size. Here's a nice one. I swear, dogs are a pain in the ass. All right, it's interesting. We're definitely not seeing no T-Rex footprints, but there's all these little double-toed footprints all over. So that's cool. Like, see, like, look at these guys all over right here. What? I feel like somebody's been out here and chipped all this up, brought it home or something.
Vertebrate fossils for your own use, but you cannot sell or barter them. Use them and report your findings to BLM.
Interesting. All this has been chipped up all over. I'm not sure exactly. It's weird though. You see how, like, up here, all this has been chipped up. I think maybe to show this stuff though, down around in here. Maybe they chipped some of it up to find some of these. I bet you all these little bumps down here they were just chilling out, a bunch of them. All right, I think this is the end of the gulch.
What kind of food is this? Hell?
I think so.
What's the gulch?
We see Rocky.
Oh,
What's up there? Hello? No. All right. Well, it's interesting. I definitely don't see no Tyrannosaurus Rex footprints. Sure nice out today. This is the kind of thing in RV life that you wouldn't normally be able to ever see if we were just still sitting in California. See, look at that. You can tell that's something. Just wish I knew more. Maybe I should have read the plaques. I'll read them later. But where we're standing, dinosaurs stood 100 million years ago. It's kind of crazy. Right, so this is the main dino area in here, I think, because this is where I see all the little footprints. They're a little bit smaller in your hand. So, but you kind of keep seeing over and over these double or triple toe prints. Pretty neat. Don't need my jacket on, that's for sure. I think this could be the biggest one I've seen, actually. Look at that. Really deep. It's that same little three-prong indentations there. I mean, what's cool is I'm touching something 180 million years ago. Dinosaur once stood here. That's really special. I would drive here if you're within 50 miles. I think that's the rating I'd give it. 100 miles, I don't know. But definitely not a vacation destination. But, all right, I'm out of breath. We're gonna head home, so I think that's gonna be it. I appreciate you watching. If you please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye. Oh, I'm not cleaning his butthole. Yep, red ants. All over. There. I didn't even know we had red ants out here. I haven't been bitten by red ants since Florida. Do you have any cash? We could donate some money.
This area used to be a sea.
I think so.
And now it's a desert.
Jenna was 180 million years ago. It's not that hard to believe.
Does that mean Florida will be a desert one day?
Maybe. I'm sure.
Or is it going to be underwater?
Did you have fun, Rocky? You have a fun time? You see some dino tracks? Yeah. All right. Right there. It's a prairie dog. I'm zoomed in on it. Hey, buddy. I see you. He's so cute. I'm pointed straight at him. Out there. Right at those bushes there.
Oh, I see him.
You seen him?
Yeah, it's a prairie dog.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Notice this on the way out. There's a cacti. I better be careful. Look at all this writing up here. I just want to see if there's any hieroglyphics. See what kind of dates we see. And keep an eye out for rattlesnakes too. Jamie is Art. Robert. Interesting. I don't see nothing like super old looking. Oh, there's a 1994. That's not very old. My Queen. There's 1978. Let's see what we see real quick. Looks like 1973, 1982, 1980. a big rock. Look at the color of this rock. That's pretty cool. See, I don't know if these are like old stuff in here. Just man-made stuff. Look at some crazy looking rock formations. All over. You know, look at some of this stuff. It looks like it says 1937. I wonder if we're getting to the older end. 1960. Look at that. 1945. Let's see what else we can find here. Alright. That might be it. Just came down in this little valley right here. Alright, I got a car coming. I better get in the car and get out of the way. But that's pretty neat. This is out here on the way to the dino tracks. Okay, let's go.